This is ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and today I would like to show how you can connect this smartphone to VPN. So first order of business is to download and install the free Turbo VPN app from the Google Play Store. So let me quickly do exactly that. Once the app is ready, you're going to go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the green continue button, choose or select if you would like to receive any notifications from this Turbo VPN app. Then skip this ad. And finally, in order to connect your device to VPN, you gotta simply tap at the caret icon over here, confirm the connection request, and wait a few seconds. Then, while connected to VPN, you are able to change the server, country, or even the city that you are connected to. So after this ad, I will reconnect myself from somewhere in the UK to, I don't know, let's say some German server, and the app decided to lag and froze. That's fine. So I'll reconnect myself from London to, Frankfurt in Germany. Yep, great success. And finally, if you would like to disconnect your phone from VPN, simply tap at the cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.